Hey guys, what's up? So today showing the top best traits here for iOS 11, 12, and 13, but 13.6. The first is called Status Bar ets. Enable the modern status bar on any device. Next is called Little 11, and basically bring iPad's features and more to devices running iOS 13. Next is called Velox Reloaded, and basically with this week, bring back the heat. iOS stock looks dull and outdated, but with Velox Reloaded, you can spice up your home screen with widgets for any app. Velox is efficient, creative, non-battery draining in mind, and will transfer your home screen to something special, retaining the iOS stock feeling. These features right here. This is called Now Playing Indicator, and showing an icon in the status bar while the music is playing. Next is called Instagram Plus. It's Instagram Plus Plus alternative. These features right here. Next is called What to Do 2 for WhatsApp. And basically, will make WhatsApp easier and simple to use, and change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. This is called Block US, and basically the best privacy-focused ad blocker for iOS. So, works on iOS 11 to 14.2 on Unc0ver, Checkra1n, Audacity, and Audacity Rain. This is called IPA Patcher. Assign IPA files to the platform application entitlement that fits in the crashing on start on iOS 11. This is called Auto Recorder ets version 3.5-74, and basically what this suite does, it basically lets you record phone calls, record voice memos, record system audio. So just know that there's a legal disclaimer. You guys read it, and be your developer, not taking responsibility for how you guys use this. Just use this, comply with your laws, and make sure you guys follow the disclaimer. So basically what it says is that some states or some counties, you have to play a beep to let the person or the party that you're talking to know that you're recording their your conversation with them. So just be mindful of that. If you don't play the beep or let them know that you're recording, and if you're in a country or county that has that law, then you could get in trouble if they find out that you did record their phone call. And the great thing about this is that it was actually updated to it was updated to iOS 14. Next is called Translucent Messages, and basically it's just translucent messages. Next is called LS Contacts bar right from your lock screen. Ports iOS 13.0 to 13.7. Next is called Swipe Message. Vision you to add multiple swipe gestures to your message app interface. This is called Swipe for More. Manage steady packages via swipe. This is called Dock Indicators, and basically show an indicator underneath applications that are running in the dock. This is called Harbor 3, and macOS style dock redesigned for touchscreens. This is called Translucent 3D Menus, makes the 3D touch menus translucent. This is called HS Widgets, and basically create widgets for iOS 13. So it's iOS 14 feature and iOS 13. This is called Libellum. The preferences are found below. Make sure a Delaware color picker is installed. Notepad on your lock screen notification center. And this is called Retina Pad, and enable Retina display for iPhone apps running on the iPad. 2x mode is how it should be. Support for most iPhone games and most Retina capable games. So, you guys, catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.